Hi guys. Be still, Stella. It was like one or two people. Stella, you gotta be nice. You gotta shh. I'm a hold up a couple of outfits, and since I didn't get an okay, you fine. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to the Taurus Mix. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you the outfits that I'm gonna wear on vacation to Cabo. So I'm gonna choose between 8 and 9 outfits. I attempted to go live. Me and Stella Ares say hi guys.
Hi guys.
We attempted to go live. It was one or two people popping in and out of the live. So I waited like 8-9 minutes and I didn't see any writing coming up, and I only saw a couple of people. So I decided, well, since I can't get the audience to choose the outfits that I could wear on vacation, I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna show you the outfits that I will choose to wear on this coming up vacation. So let's get started. Say let's get started, you guys. Say bye to the guys. I'm gonna have to put her down, you guys, because y'all know how Toddlers is. They're very active. But this will not be a long video, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna pack for the swimwear I'm gonna pack for vacation. And probably tomorrow I'll start showing you some of the things that I will be wearing while I'm on vacation in Cabo. But Stella wanted to get on camera. She's here from out of town. She wanted to see you guys. So I brought her on so she can say hi. Say bye guys.
Bye guys.
So I'm going to get her out of the video and I'm going to start showing you the outfits that the swimwear rather, that I picked to wear to Cabo. And a lot of these swimwear, I keep saying outfits, a lot of the swimwear that I'm about to show you guys, I've already tried on in 2 other hauls, but these are the finalists of the ones that I'm definitely going to take with me on vacation. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first outfit that I chose that I'm going to wear is this 2-piece that you've seen in another haul. It goes around the neck. I thought this was so cute. It's really a 3-piece. So this is one of the outfits that I'm gonna wear. Here are the underwear or the swim bottoms that I'm gonna wear. And it also came with this beautiful wrap, you guys. So I will be wearing this wrap and that bikini on vacation. So that's my first pick. Now if you want to see me in some of these swimwear, you can go back on my channel, the Taurus Mix, and you will see, if you scroll up a little bit, you will see where I did a couple of swimsuit hauls. The next item that I approve, you guys, is this cute, it's like a connecting swimsuit, but this is the cover up. It connects to the top. I thought this was so cute. I also tried this on in a haul. And let's see, where are the bottoms? It comes with some bottoms. Here they go. It comes with the swimsuit bottoms. So I thought that would be cute. So it connects to the top, and I'll be able to have a cover up and swimwear all in one. So this is the next contender. So this is number 2. I just love this one, you guys, that I tried on in the haul. I thought this was so cute. So this is going to be the number 3 pick right here. I just love the detailing around the waist, across in the boob area, and around the up under boob. So this is contender number 3. Let's get to contender number 4. I thought this was so cute. And I did try on this in a haul. So again, if you want to go back, you can watch this. So this is contender number 4. So once I show you guys all of these fabulous swimsuits, I'm going to pack them up. That's contender number 4. Contender number 5. What I'm going to take. This lime green is so pretty on my skin, you guys. So these are the bottoms. And this is the top. So this contender number 5. I think that's right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Contender number 5. This is another one that I'll be taking. I will be in Cabo for 8 nights, you guys, in 9 days. So I'm going to take 8 or 9 outfits. Swimwear. I may not get in water every day, but at least I have the choice of what to wear. And when I get there, you guys, when I put them on, I'm going to let you guys see the finished look. These are a couple of cover-ups. I have an orange one and a lime green one. So I'm going to take one of them both of them with me. And they're pretty long. So this is one of the cover-ups. And then also I have the lime green one. So I will be packing those as well. Now, I know in Santa Fe, that's Rio Santa Fe and Cabos, that's where we're going, and they're notorious for these pool parties. I know they have a jungle-like theme pool party. They have a pink party. I think they have a white party, and I'm not sure of the 4th party, but it's a lot of bubbles and suds and neon lights, and it's just fabulous. So I'm trying to decide. I know I don't have an all white outfit, so I'm gonna try to work on that before I leave. But I do have this cute neon pink outfit that I've never worn, and it's also, I tried it on in a haul. So these are the underwear or the bottoms, and this is the top. So definitely if I go to one of those parties, it will be based on which color that I have. So I do have a pink, and it's a neon color, and the party is like a neon pink like party. Everybody wears pink. So this is gonna be the 6th contender that I'm gonna take with me. Okay. The 7th contender is this cute, stretchy bottoms. They're like a salmon-like color. I never tried it on, but I did show it to you on one of my hauls. But this will be, did I say 6 or 7? This will be number 7, you guys. So I'm going to take that one with me. You cannot go wrong with some orange. Another loud orange color that looks great on my skin. These are the bottoms. This is a top that crisscross, but I use it like a side tie up. I'm going to take that and use this top as to complete the outfit. So I did try this on in the haul, but definitely. So this is me packing up the swimwear, you guys. So that was number 8. Number 9 or 10. I'm kind of stuck, you guys. But yes, Stella. Shh. So the ninth outfit is this cute tropical top, you guys, and some black bottoms. Definitely gonna take this one. I just love this with the palm trees on it. It look like a sunset. So it covers a little bit more, but that I'm gonna say this as number 9 will be facing off with another number 9 that I'm gonna show you guys. But and this one is the last one. I think I did wear this in was it Jamaica? No, it was the Bahamas. I did wear this, but like I said, one of their pool parties, like a jungle light. So this is the reason why I'm gonna take this one, and this is the top. I did try this on in a haul, and these are the bottoms, and I just love the little detail. So that's gonna contend with the tropical shirt, like again this top right here with the black swim bottoms. So it's a contest between the both of them. But if I decide to go to that jungle like pool party, this would be great for that. So other than that, I will take an extra black cover up with me, you guys. And those are the swimwear that I'm going to take with me. And I just wanted you guys to be a part of it. And like I said, once I get there, whatever I wear every day, I'm going to document and let you guys see it, because I'm taking you guys on vacation with me. So, I don't leave for like 2 weeks. I think it's like on the 16th. So kind of tell me what was your favorite and what you think I should choose. Put it down in the comments below. And like I said, I am so excited, and I'm going to document this whole journey. But in my next video, look for part 2 of what I'm packing to go on vacation. This is just part 1 dealing with the swimwear. The other part will be of the outfits that I'll be wearing when I'm out and about. So I will do a little haul on what I'm going to be packing besides this swimwear. So come here, Stella. Come on, let's say goodbye. Come on, let's get up here. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
The Taurus Mix.
Top Mix.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.